Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. A day before yesterday, every trader on the YouTube and on the different platforms was telling you that the Bitcoin has broken down a triangle or a wedge on the hourly chart, and I told you that this is wrong. In fact, the Bitcoin is moving in a down channel, and it was getting bounced by the support of that down channel. And at the same time, it was also moving in a descending triangle on the 12-hour chart as well. And now you can see that the price action of Bitcoin on this 4-hour chart, after taking bounce by the support, it has confirmed that this was the support and that was not broken down, and in fact it was moving in this down channel, and finally now it has broken out this resistance of this down channel. I don't know whether they were doing it only to spread the sensation, or maybe by mistake the traders were catching that falling wedge, or maybe that triangle on the hourly chart. Sometimes the trader can do that. Therefore, we always tell you that take our videos as an educational purpose. We can do the mistakes, but this time I think this was only for the sake of spreading some sensation, because I watch on the different channels. Every trader was catching the same triangle on the hourly chart. In fact, that was the down channel on the 4-hour chart. And now we can see that after breaking out this resistance, the price action has confirmed this previous resistance, used this previous resistance as a support, and confirmed this breakout and moved to the upside. And at the same time, the price action of Bitcoin also formed a bullish garlic pattern on the 12-hour chart, and I shared this pattern on 30th of May. Here you can see at the Patreon, and I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas here on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Now I want to show you the result for this trade, and I'm just going to open this chart. This is the link for the chart, and I told my Patreons that at the same time the price line is getting bounced by this descending triangle on the daily time frame chart, and on the 12-hour chart we have this garlic move. Therefore we are having two confirmed bullish reversal patterns, and therefore we can have a bullish reversal from here. And you can see, in fact, the price line was moved above, slightly above this buying zone of this garlic pattern at that time when I shared this garlic pattern, and it was formed on the 12-hour chart. And I was expecting that it will give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that on the very next candle, the price line moved down at $35,000, at $35,100, and on the next candle, it moved up to $34,150 and gave us another chance to catch it from here, from the buying zone, and now it is turning bullish. So far, we have rallied up to $37,457, and at the same time, we can see that the price line has also broken out this down channel on the 4-hour chart. That is a really, very good gesture of the price action of Bitcoin. And I told you that for any kind of big move, we need to come out from this resistance of this down channel that has been formed on the 12-hour chart. And this formation was started on 26th of May. And now we have another resistance of this descending triangle on the 12-hour chart. And you can also call it as a wedge, because at this time the price line is moving here, and if the price line will continue its move in this triangle, then we can expect this move. For example, if I place this measurement tool here from this current candlestick up to the end of this triangle, then we can expect the move within this triangle approximately for a month. Now, if we will have a breakout from this triangle, then we can have the next target. The price line can move to the upside here. Previously, I was placing this trend line here because the price line was, here. On 30th of May, I was placing here. At that time, I told you that we can have an upward move from here, approximately at $49,000. But now the price line can break out from this point. Therefore, we can expect a move up to $48,000. It depends from where the price line will break out this resistance of this descending triangle. However, in case of breakdown, we can have a very drastic drop, because in that situation we can have drop up to approximately $24,300. However, this time the price line, after getting bounced, is moving to the upside. And if I place the volume profile, that is really very important indicator available free of cost at the TradingView. And if you you don't have account there, then I will share the link in the video's description. You can find there. I'm just going to place this volume profile on the complete price action moving within this descending triangle, and we can see that we have the trader's interest even above the resistance of this descending triangle. And if I place this trend line here, then we can see that to the downside we have the trader's interest above this support of the triangle. Therefore, whenever the price action will be moved in this area where we have the weak interest of the traders, it can be moved up, and we can see that whenever the price line is moving at this support, or in this area where we have the weak interest of the traders, it is getting bounced back and moving to the upside to hit the resistance of this descending triangle. Now I want to show you the different other indicators as well. For example, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here we can see that we had the RSI, the relative strength index, that was oversold, and now it is moving to the upside. And if we take a look at the MACD was historically oversold. We can see that previously it was the value of the MACD was more than 5,000 negative territory, and now it is moving up. It has given us the buying signal as well. We can see that it has turned bullish, and if we take a look at this stochastic on the daily time frame chart, it has also given us another bull cross, that is a buying signal as well. Therefore, we can expect a rally up to this, at least this resistance of the triangle, that is approximately at $38,500. We can see that if I place this trend line here, then we can see that we have approximately this breakout point at $38,500. If the price action will be closed on the daily time frame chart above $38,500, then we can expect a powerful rally to the upside to the next resistance levels, to break out the next resistance level. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.